Alright guys, happy Tuesday. Now, I know you see last week's Thursday on my screen, and that's because we're going to continue working on our thankful writing and our thankful writing essay. Now, after I've recorded this video, I'm going to post this for Tuesday, and I'm also going to post these examples because I had a lot of you just turning it in without completing this. So I want to go through our graphic organizer first. Now, what I have in here in yellow is my example, but what's highlighted in blue would be I would continue typing there if I was to do this entire graphic organizer, an entire paper. Okay, so the first topic I chose that I'm thankful for is my family. Now, details within that topic that I'm thankful for my kids, Natalie and Preston. I'm thankful for my parents, and I'm thankful for my partner. Now, if I was you, I would continue. I would give a topic 2. Maybe I'm thankful for, I forgot the examples I gave last week. Maybe I'm thankful for RMS, or maybe I'm thankful for my students. Now, when I give a topic, I have to give details as to why I'm thankful for it. So, for example, I saw a student who was thankful for his PlayStation. Now, that's great, but now he's not just done with that. Maybe he's thankful for his PlayStation because he can play with his friends, even though he doesn't have to be with them. He can play online. Or maybe he's thankful for a certain game. So just be specific. Don't just turn this in, and don't just turn it in giving me just the topics. Okay, again, the yellow is my example, but if I was to continue, I would have the yellow here typed out, and I would also give stuff for here, topic 2. Sorry about that. I paused the video because they were making an overhead announcement here at school. Alright, so now I'm going to show you my example for my essay template. Okay, again, the yellow is my personal example. The blue, I would type everywhere there's the highlighted blue, I would type there if I was doing this entire paper, which you guys are. You started it Thursday. I expect this to be good. It is worth 36 points, okay? Most of our assignments are only worth about 15, or I think 10 to 15 is our average for these assignments. All right, so let me see if I can zoom in because I cannot see that. I don't know if you can, but there we go. Okay, so it says, I'm so thankful. Thanksgiving reminded me of all the people and things that I'm thankful for. I appreciate, again, my first topic was my family. If I was going to continue, I would have a topic 2 and a topic 3. I'm especially thankful for my family because they help me make the most out of life, especially during this pandemic. My son and my daughter rely on me to have a happy and healthy life, and they make me so happy. My parents have been wonderful grandparents and consistently FaceTime my daughter since they cannot visit. My partner helps me to smile when I get stressed out and is an amazing dad to our 2 kids. So those are all my sentences for topic 1, my family. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I highlighted these parts because some of us just weren't typing there or just turning it in. And I love that you're turning stuff in. I do, because some of you aren't, which means I don't know to go and grade it, so I have to go back and look through to give you all your points. But if you're just clicking that turn in button, I can't give you points. I can't give you points for not doing anything. So I went through and I highlighted, and I'm making this example hoping that you guys understand that if I'm taking the time to do this, that it's important and you should take the time to do the work. So I highlighted the blue here as your example of you should have typed here. You need to type here before you turn it in. And it says 3 sentences. That's why this is worth 36 points, is you get points not only for your graphic organizer, but for each of your 3 sentences. Now I went a little over because it says at least 3, but you need to have 3, 6, 9 sentences here, and you're going to fix these to where these are sentences too. So where it says topic 1, I messed up, and it should say my family, because that was my topic 1. And I'm going to highlight it yellow because that's part of my example that I did. Now the blue would be typed in if I continued this essay, if I continued my graphic organizer, like you guys are going to, okay? I hope this clears it up a little bit. If it doesn't, feel free to email me. We can Google Meet if we need to. There's going to be 2 Google Meets this week for the class. If you can't come to either one of them, let me know. Maybe we can figure out a different time. But there will be one at 2:30 on Wednesday, so tomorrow, and one at 2:30 on Friday. And both of those, if you attend, you will get bonus points. Those bonus points will really help. I know we just had progress reports go out, so those bonus points can help you. So I hope to see you, and we can work on assignments and talk about anything regarding our English class. So please attend. It'll help you. It'll help me. I'd love to see your faces. See, I'm finally showing mine. I know the digital world is kind of crazy, and the world's even crazier. So if you need help, I am here. Give me an email. You can email me and I can give you my phone number. Like, I am here to help you. I want to help you, but I can only help you if you reach out to me. So I hope you have a great rest of your Tuesday, and I hope to see you this week. And I hope you have a great rest of the week as well. All right. Bye, guys.